So hello guys, welcome back to GizAddict, and in this video I'm going to show you how to compress videos without losing the quality. So let's get straight into the video. So to compress your videos, you need a software called Handbrake. It's a free and open source video transcoder. So to download it, open Google Chrome, then type Handbrake, then click on the official link, then click here to download. Now download started, and I'll speed up the video to save your time. Now download completed, then click on show in folder. Now copy the file to the desktop. Now double click on the installer to begin the install. Now give administrator permission, click on yes to give administrator permission. Now click on next, then again click on next, then click on install. Now installation completed, double click on the desktop shortcut to run it. Now I will delete the installer file. So there is a sample video file. I will show the properties. Now the size is 237 MB. Now to compress the video, drag and drop the video file here. Then click on web optimized. Then select the destination. I will select desktop. Now click on start encode. Now the encoding started. Wait for some time to become complete. I will speed up the video to save your time.
Few minutes later.
Now encoding completed. I will close the program and I will check properties of both the video files. Right click to view the properties. So the file is reduced from 237 MB to nearly equal to 20 MB. Now you can play both the video files and compare their qualities. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.